Hey guys, again, welcome back. Welcome all IELTS seekers to my channel, Anxiety. So today in this video, we are going to see regarding the IELTS exam review, that is today's IELTS exam review, 12 September 2020. And in this video, we are going to see regarding the morning section with answers. Okay, so I got good review from all the students. Anyway, first we'll start off with the listening section. So the part 1 was fill up type question. That was one word only, fill up, and it was quite easy. And in part 2, they got multiple choice question along with fill ups, and it was also easy. And in part 3, they got multiple choice question along with match the information question. And it was little bit moderate. And in part 4, they got again fill ups. That was one word only, fill up. But this time, the audio was little bit fast. So some of the students missed out some answers too. Anyway, overall, the listening section was easy to moderate. Then moving on to the reading of academics. The passage title was something related to tattooing. And they got the questions in the form of true, false, not given, fill-ups, and also a table completion. And this passage was somewhat in moderate level, and it was a repeated passage also. Before 2 to 3 months, we had the same passage in one of our IELTS exam. And in passage 2, the title was related to left and right-handedness. It was from Cambridge textbook. And the questions was match the information type question and also selection of letters. And this passage was quite easy. So those who already gone through this passage means they find it so easy only. Anyway, in passage 3, the title was related to theatre, some curved theatre, something like that. And the questions was MCQs, fill-ups, and also yes, no, not given type question. And this passage was somewhat tricky, so we can give it as a moderate level. So overall, the reading module was in moderate level. Okay, now we'll see regarding the writing section. The task 1 was a bar chart. So our prediction was 100% true. Okay, so we'll see regarding the question. Yeah, here you can see the exact question. It was already published in Makar textbooks. The graph below shows 4 methods of dealing with waste in 4 countries. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. So the countries are Netherlands, Italy, Spain, and UK. And the method of disposal was burnt, used as chemicals, recycled, and also landfilled method. So here you can see the model answer too, which I prepared for you. The column graph illustrates the data on 4 different waste disposal methods used in Netherlands, Italy, Spain, and the UK. So that's our introduction. We just paraphrased the question. Then you want to write the overview. Overall, the least popular method is burning in the UK, whereas landfilling, composting, and recycling are the least popular in the Netherlands, Italy, and Spain respectively. So you no need to use any numerical data in overview. Then you want to arrange the body paragraph. According to the graph, the Netherlands recycles about 2/3 of its waste. About 14% of its waste is compost, which means it is used as chemicals. About 8% and 10% are landfilled and burned respectively. Italy and Spain landfill about 40% of their waste and use approximately 18% of their waste as chemicals. Burning is the second most popular method used in these countries. Spain burns 30% of its waste, whereas in Italy, about 22% waste is burned. Then third body, in the UK, about 65% of the waste is put in landfill sites, about 17% is converted into compost, and about 13% is recycled, only about 5% waste is incinerated in the UK. So you just want to give all the specific details in the body paragraph. Now we will see regarding the task 2. It was a discussion plus opinion type essay. So I will show you the question here. Some people believe that physical fitness of strong individuals and team is the reason for most sports achievement. Others, however, think that mental attitude is more important. So discuss both views and give your opinion. So you want to discuss both the side. Along with that, you want to state your opinion too. So it's better to divide your body paragraph into 3. In the first two body paragraph, you can discuss the both views, and in the third body paragraph, you can explain your opinion too. Okay, so first we want to start off with the introduction. So first we'll see that modern society is giving more importance to sports and related activities. So it is often argued as to what makes the athlete or a team successful. It's general statement. While some people believe that physical fitness to be at the root of it, others claim that mental attitude to be the main factor. So in my opinion, both these plays a major role in the way to success. So that's my opinion. That means the thesis statement. Then you want to write the outline. What's your plan? Here in this essay, we'll analyze the arguments made by both sides with examples in the upcoming paragraphs. In the introduction, you need to write the general statement, or else you can paraphrase the question. Then you want to write the thesis statement and also the outline. Then the first body paragraph about any particular view. On the one hand, those who claim physical fitness are to be the main ingredient of success base their idea on the fact that most of the athletes spend the majority of their training time on physical strength and conditioning. They are rarely seen following any mental strengthening programs. For example, rugby, where the most successful players are those that have spent the most training time in gymnasium working on their strength and stamina, which directly translate into their better performance on the field. If one of these athletes starts spending less time on gym than their competitor and start focusing on mental strengthening, then that might lose their strength and capacity. It leads to a failure. Thus, this makes it clear why some people think this way. So it's about the first view. Then the second body paragraph about the other's view. However, on the other hand, some people also believe that mental attitude is the ultimate deciding factor that separates a world-class athletes from the rest. Because at the highest level of sports, all the participants are at the same physical fitness level. For example, in the freestyle Olympic wrestling, some of these are toughest sports in Olympics. Athletes are divided into similar strength and weight classes, which ensures that no single participant has any extra strength advantage over others. And the only deciding factor here is their mental attitude, since at such a high level they possess the same technical skill set. From this, it becomes quite evident that why mental strength attitude could be the main reason for success. So that's about the other's view. That means the second view. Then the third body paragraph, you want to write about your own opinion. Moreover, I personally believe that both mental attitude and also physical fitness have same or major role in the success way of the sportsman. But most of them are giving importance to their physical stamina and body or bodybuilding. So they are doing lot of workout to maintain that. But I hope in the coming years, more athletes and their coaches will realize the importance of mental stability and attitude towards their sports. Have also a crucial role in success, and they will arrange some mental strengthening programs in the training routines. So that's all about my own opinion. Then you want to conclude. To sum up, some people believe that physical strength is the main ingredient of success, but others believe that the mental attitude which plays a major role. But I believe that both the aspects are equally important for a sports person and his team. Okay, so I hope you understood how you want to arrange the body paragraph and how you want to write your essay. Okay. So regarding the reading and listening answers, I will prepare one video and I will update that soon. So for that, if you want to get updations, means what you want to do? You want to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get the notification. So try to select the all option too. Then only you will be notified about all the videos which I am going to upload. So thank you so much for watching, and try to share this with your friends who